Master.
I had back of the eyes to bag up my guys. Said you was a thug, what a good disguise. Trying to protect your cabbage, running from the Nassau's back with hoes. They say mine is very scary. Smell fair like a canine and finds very babies.
Yo, what the fuck? Stop bullshitting. You gotta practice, you gotta put some work in. Let me come to the battle, getting all pissed off because you can't hang, or because your stamina ain't right, because you ain't been doing shit, because if you're sitting on your couch, being a big fat lard walrus, you ain't gonna get shit done. So it's your own goddamn fault. Get up your fat ass, get out there, get some training done. Shaolin Bug Crew, Columbus, Ohio. This is how we do this shit. Motherfucker!